Rendezvous officer reports that Starliner is in the 10-meter rendezvous box.
Station Houston on 2. Starliner is at the 10-meter hold. Perform step 7 in 1.102. And we're working on a finalized FAI as mentioned. And we are seeing really good video from the EHDC.
Okay, station copies. We see the same 10-meter hold. Vehicle mode is hold. Step 7, we have brought up the 10-meter hold overlay and understand updated time for the initiation of docking is forthcoming.
Good read. Station Houston Space Ground 2 for docking status.
Rover station.
Farmer, I wanted to let you know that a few of the NDS components did not go to the an intended config. Therefore, we need to retract the docking ring to reset the system. We're expecting that to take about 30 minutes. We will come back to you with a new FAI time.
Okay, copy that. 30 minutes to retract the ring and then re-extend it. And just confirm we're happy holding at 10 meters while we do all the troubleshooting.
Copy. Thanks.
All right, the teams here are talking through. There is an opportunity to execute the final approach initiation much earlier than anticipated to beat a 7-minute handover, or a handover in 7 minutes. We can expect the teams, they're talking about it now, to go ahead and execute that maneuver. And they just did. Final approach initiation has been commenced.
Station Houston on 2. Starliner final approach has begun. Perform steps 8 and 9 in 1.102.
Copies. We see approach to docking port for the vehicle mode, steps 8 and 9 in work.
Starliner inside 10 meters. And on the move, 0.04 meters per second. It'll take 4 minutes to close this distance of what is now less than 9 meters to the International Space Station's forward port. Imagery we're seeing coming from one of the external cameras on the ISS just shifted the views. Now watching Starliner make its final approach. Docking ring extended. Seven meters away from the forward port. Estimated contact, a little bit more than 2 minutes. Crossing 2 minutes to contact right now. Starliner continuing to close in on the International Space Station at a distance of 5.3 meters, closing in at 0.05 meters per second. Alternating views between the International Space Station and the Starliner sensors themselves as they close in on the forward port of the Harmony module. Starliner looking to connect to the International Docking Adapter there at the forward end of Harmony. Docking ring extended. You can see some of the separation coming in with that inner ring. Those 3 pedals will inside 4 meters. One minute to contact. Inside 3 meters. Quiet in the control room. Starliner continuing to close in. 2 meters, Starliner coming 2 meters to the International Space Station. One meter to docking, less than 20 seconds. Press to dock. Contact, capture.
Soft capture confirmed.
Copy. Station showing good soft capture.
Boeing Starliner spacecraft completes its historic first docking to the International Space Station, opening a new avenue of access for crews to the orbiting laboratory.
That docking time comes at 7:28 p.m. Central Time. The International Space Station was 271 statute miles over the South Indian Ocean with the Starliner attached to its forward port.
MPO confirms hard docking complete. Ed Van Cise has moved Starliner to dock mode. Another first.
That's applause you hear.
Houston, space to ground 2 for Starliner.
Go for station.
Hard mate is complete. ISS thrusters are enabled, and we can welcome Starliner to ISS.
That's great news. Thank you to Rob. Thank you, Rob. Thank you to the entire ops team for some great work tonight. To the joint Boeing and NASA team, the crew of Expedition 67 would like to offer our congratulations on this momentous occasion. Today marks a great milestone towards providing additional commercial access to low Earth orbit, sustaining the ISS, and enabling NASA's goal of returning humans to the Moon and eventually to Mars. Great accomplishments in human spaceflight are long remembered by history. Today will be no different. So to Starliner, its commander, Rosie the Rocketeer, and all the men and women who poured their hearts and souls into this vehicle and this mission, welcome to the International Space Station.